morning, students. This is Ramesh Shinde from JS College of Commerce, Vardha, and today we will be discussing a story that is the Lookout Man. And this story is prescribed by RTM Nagpur University, Nagpur for BCom second semester for the subject supplementary English. As you know that in supplementary English, different skills are there, and according to that, some stories are prescribed. So definitely this story, the Lookout Man, is also associated or linked with one of the such skills. So what is this skill? So it's skill about problem solving. We can call it problem solving skills. So this story, the Lookout Man, is closely associated with this story. So through this story, we'll be learning how our problem solving skill can help us in the circumstances when we find that we are in problem. So we can make a way successfully through it, and we can definitely can get out of that situation if you apply your brain, if you have that skill. So we have to learn this particular skill from this story, the Lookout Man. So without taking your much of time, I would like to discuss this story, the main part of the story. But before, as it is the tradition or as we generally do it, this time also I'll be telling you about the author, because it is very important for you also in general to know about the author from examination point of view also, right? So this world famous story, that is the Lookout Man, is written by Nicholas Bentley. Okay, so who was Nicholas Bentley? Let me tell you. He was a British author and illustrator, best known for his humorous cartoon drawings. Okay, it means he was one of the famous cartoonists. Okay, in books and magazines in the 1930s and 1940s, he was famous in this particular period of time. Okay, in the history. In the present story, that is the Lookout Man, in this particular story, in the present story, he talks about problem solving skills, which I have already discussed about. Okay, applying one's intellect. Of course, we all people present on this planet, definitely we have intellect, but the problem is that we must apply that intellect in different circumstances or situations or conditions of our lives. If there are problems, definitely there are problems, but we can make a successful way through that situation also of the problem. So as in nearly all the stories, there are some characters. In this story also we'll be having some certain characters. There are three major characters. First is William Morris. William Morris is the protagonist also. Protagonist means the main character, the principal character, the chief character. Okay, this entire story revolves around this main character, that is William Morris. In other words, you can say this is one of the major characters in this story. Okay, this character has to play a big role in the present story. Then there is Mr. Regnier. Mr. Regnier is actually the owner of the shop, which is delineated, which is shown, which is given in this story. Actually owns a shop. That shop name is Regnier's the Antique Jewelers at Knightsbridge. Knightsbridge is the area. Okay, he's the owner of his shop. From this description, you might have understood that in his shop, what is sold? He sells what? Antique pieces of jewelries. Okay, and that shop is very famous. This is about Mr. Regnier. Third is Miss Suskind. Okay, this is the lady, and she cooperates or works along with William Morris. Both of these people work in the same shop. Okay, and he is the owner. He is also present there, but he deals with some of the big buyers or sophisticated customers. And apart from these three main characters, there are two minor characters or there are two small characters, and those characters are a man is shown in that in this story. The man in his 30s or 40s. Okay, the exact age of the man is not given, right? Only this 30s or 40s, and he is in 30s or 40s, it's given. And then there is another character. This is also a minor character. Minor character means what? This character has to play a small role. Okay, it is no way a big character. a young girl. Okay. Now, in the course of discussion, further, I'll be telling you about all these characters in detail and what role, to what extent that will play in this particular story. Let's see. So, first of all, let me tell you about our protagonist, William Morris. He is a man of 52 years old. It means his age is 52. Okay. He's having a girl who is also married. He lives where? At Woldingham in Surrey. It is one of the areas in his country. He is fond of reading and painting, but much more he is interested in detective stories. And he is not just a reader; he is a very keen reader. He is very interested in reading the detective stories, and he has actually studied all those books. And as it is said that the habit of reading the books, right, enrich your knowledge of different things. So the same has happened with this William Morris. Okay, he has started in his life to notice the behavior of people. Okay, so he's a kind of mind reader, we can say, the general term that is in use or in vogue nowadays. He has one daughter, I have already told you, and she's also married. Okay, so this is about William Morris. All these are the characteristics of Mr. William Morris. Now, let's discuss the story in detail. But we'll be discussing the story in the next video because the time is up here. So let's wait for the next video recording, and in that recording we'll be discussing all these things in detail. In short, this story, The Lookout Man. Thank you. We stop here.